I wanted to show you this one here. Nice big yellow flowers, very useful for breeding. Let's see what the diameter is, because the flowers seem to be pretty big, and I wanna see how big exactly. 17, something like that. Looked big. Looked actually bigger than it is, but yes, 17, between 17 and 18. And I want to pollinate this with Wurlitz hybrids, because that's a good color for it. And I want to use a strong purple Wurlitz hybrid for one. Over here, this one. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so this one is pollinated with the hybrid that I've just shown you. Wurlitz Cantora Gelb. And the other one, I want to pollinate with a hybrid between Wurlitz and Gräsers Erfolg and Selbstbestäubung. Let's get that pollen. Okay, so that's the one. It has genes of both Wurlitz and Gräsers Erfolg and Selbstbestäubung. There's very little pollen, so it will only be enough for this one cross probably. But we will do it. And this one here, we'll get a hybrid called Charm as father. Could produce great offspring. Total chaos here. It's just too much, too many flowers. Okay, so this one here gets the Gräsers Erfolg, Selbstbestäubung and Cantora. Brush needs to be disinfected in between usage. And we're going to use Q-tips instead now, because it's just too much. Too much disinfecting work that needs to be done in between. But yeah, so this one, the yellow one, I got as pink stripes from eBay. Unfortunately, it was something else. But, I mean, this is the kind of flower that is very useful, especially if it involves pink stripes. If we ever have enough yellow, I might sort it out, but for now, it's pretty useful.